Hey!
Wax on.
It's our first video. It's 2009. It's really dark.
It's an hour after 2009 has started.
My doggy. And my lammy.
That's the dog.
My Asian lamb. Because he is the brown
It
fish.
looks more Mexican.
It's so early. It's so early. It's like 1:07. Where's the camera?
It's really early in the year.
Yeah. Wait.
It's really early in the time and the year.
I agree.
I concur.
We're listening to Katy Perry, Thinking of You.
So I'm thinking of you.
I'm thinking of you. I see you.
I.
And the camera sees you. It's my doggy. Her name is Kitty.
Oh, no one cares. We should put Jack in the video.
Oh, Jack's outside.
Kitty wants to be in the video. Hey, look at the camera. Look. Oh, he wants to talk now. Kitty, why don't you type us a story?
No. So our first topic of 2009 on
Ow.
our videogram is boys are stupid.
We agree.
Stop.
Can I make her bark?
No,
Ruff.
that was so loud. Woman, you're gonna
Oh.
you're gonna climb all over my computer.
Ow, I keep hitting my freaking head.
So, I don't have any New Year's resolutions, but if you do, you should type them, definitely, and tell us what your New Year's resolutions
I'll
are.
type mine. Wait, I don't have anything to type.
My first New Year's resolution is lose weight, but what girl doesn't want that? But we're on the winter guard at our high school, so I'm pretty sure we're gonna make that
We're gonna
happen.
be toned by the end of the season.
I've already lost like 4
Why
pounds.
are my hands so white from hitting my face?
Because you have makeup on?
It looks like there's a ghost on my hand.
Do you have any resolution, Polly?
Get friends that suck less. Stop.
Yep.
Because if you haven't noticed, my friends suck.
Yeah. Okay.
Not all of them.
Not me. Not Lammy.
Just a lot of them. Yeah, Lemmy is my best friend. He's a special friend.
Sorry this video is so dark, guys.
Sorry this video sucks. Look who's creeping up there.
That is my sister's, not mine.
No, it's hers. It's
Yeah,
hers.
it is. I would date the ugly one right there.
I would
date that
I would date this one.
I would date the ugly
He's
one.
only 12, but I would date him anyway.
No, I'll date the ugly one. Because then less girls.
Her theory is that if she dates the ugly Jonas brother, he's not gonna have other girls chasing after him. He's a friggin' Jonas brother. He's worth like $1 million.
So my mom just came in and shushed us. So I'd be really quiet. It's still really early.
It's still 107.
No, it's not.
Oh no, it's 111.
111 kids. Oh, what is that? I'm forgetting some
When
music.
alright.
Alright, well, it's our first video of Holly and Amanda.
Actually, it's our second.
Now, we're mushing them together. So
We're gonna have a big plethora of videos brought us on.
Alright.
Why is there a funny shadow in my face? Well, I think
My
there's a
shadow.
ghost. Oh, wait, is that a ghost in front of me?
So, I guess we'll have another one later. Oh, kitty.
Alright, look at that big head. I don't know if I'm talking about Amanda or the dog. I don't
thanks.
know.
Alright, guys, well, tell us your New Year's resolutions, and it'll be great. Alright.
We'll tell you ours. Again.
Have a happy 2009.
These are festive hand motions for 2009.
Bye!